Welcome to the channel. This video is quickly about how to get started with any IDE using a Copilot, the GitHub Copilot plugin. So I'm giving example here as a Visual Studio Code, but you can use any of your favorite IDE. The steps is going to be simple, same for everything. So reason for picking the VS Code is both GitHub Copilot as well as Visual Studio belongs to same vendor, that is Microsoft. And not only that, this is a lighter version of any IDE. VS Code is very minimalistic and lightweight. Not only that, it also supports various languages, as you see, like both from the .NET framework and Java framework, as well as machine learning and Python. End to end, all the languages it supports. So once you select this one, like in your case it could be Windows or Mac OS. Once you download this, you'll have IDE ready. Yeah. So once you got your VS Code ready, this is how it looks, and not like this, but you will not have all these things. So just you will have this welcome page, and from there you have to go this extensions, and there you can look for GitHub Copilot. So this is the one. Since mine is already installed, it's not showing that install button. Otherwise you have to pick this one, GitHub Copilot Chat. And if you going to download the latest version of VS Code, it's going to be a built-in one. You can see it, right? So it's going to come pre-built. And once you have this, from your workspace, you have to click on this link, and then you have to log into your GitHub repository. So mine, once I logged in, you will get this chart opened, and to start with I just said hello world program in HTML, and it will ask for some workspace. So once you give that, it will generate a code like this. You can see it. So similarly, I also asked for Java hello world, and it also created main.java hello world. So people who don't know about programming, they can simply chat and get things done. This is very beginner tutorial. Hope this helps to get started. Subscribe for more like this. Thank you very much.